Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a complete review of MRY replacement lenses. One of my subscribers reached out to me to see if I can do a review of replacement lenses for the Oakley Sutros. These are original Oakley Sutros and it's all scratched up, so we're gonna do a review on this one. Okay, first off, it came in with the good packaging and the lenses. I'm wearing gloves so to avoid oil contamination from my hands. Okay, it says for Sutros, Pacific blue, polarized, and it's mirrored. And shipping actually was took less time. It was about 7 days, so it wasn't bad coming from a different country. So we'll see if it is a direct fit going to this sunglasses right here. They sent me two, and this one is, let's see the color of this one. This one is a bronze gold. It's also polarized and mirrored. And I think I'm gonna try to put this one right here directly on this one to see how it fits. Okay. As you can see, it is a direct fit. No wobbles, no gaps. It's perfect fit. Having the original Oakley frames and putting the MRY replacement lenses. It looks good. As far as I can see, I will test it outside to see the clarity of the lens compared to the original ones. Okay, and we're going to test the clarity, and it's a gloomy day today, so this right here is the MRY replacement lenses, and this right here is the original Sutro lenses. As far as quality of the lens, like what I said, it is a direct fit if you have the original Oakley Sutros. And the only thing I notice is the MRY lens is a bit thinner than the original Oakley lenses. Can you see it directly right there? The difference in the thickness of the lens itself. But as far as the lens quality, it is identical, or I say as almost the same. Again, the only noticeable difference is the thickness of the two lenses. This is the original and this is the MRY replacement lens. But as far as clarity and quality, I would say it's identical. You see the difference right here, the thickness. So pretty much for the price is you can get at least 3 replacement lenses for the price of 1. And if you're interested, I will place the link down below so you can check out the other replacement lenses coming from MRY. Thank you for watching.